Go, go.
You did not see that.
Keep going. Don't talk. Just dance.
I swear, the only reason you have 600 hits is because of me. I definitely
Keep dancing, dude. You're on video. Dude, you better do this for YouTube, man. You're on video, dude.
Oh my God!
Grab it like it's hot over the plate.
Do the coolest dance move you can. Back up a little bit, Chris. I can't see it. Dragonfly!
The dragonfly!
Back it up, back it up, back it up on the table. Back it up on the table, dude. You gotta back it up over there.
Okay, goodbye.
I know, they were always...
Man, people are gonna be unhappy on YouTube because of that.
But that's not...
I don't care.
They're expecting more out of you. You swam river to pair. You can do better than that. You swam river to pair. You can do better than that.
All I see is a bright light. Just woo.
You can do better than that, dude. Come on. You swam river to pair.
If I really swam river to pair, I'd pour beer all over my head.
You
That
really
was
did. You dirty
totally
little
fake.
bastard.
No.
I've seen it twice.
We spent there 2 weeks on the internet videotaping me acting like I'm jumping in. That's totally fake. Dude, I swear to God, Aaron knows this.
I've seen him twice live.
What are you talking about? Seen it twice live? You were there on the computer writing the fucking code out. River to Bear Swim is fake.
That's not going on YouTube because